How to make money on your WhatsApp status. Now we are going to use this platform to make a lot of money on our WhatsApp status. We are going to turn our WhatsApp contacts into customers and they are going to buy from us. Very easiest way to make money online in Ghana 2023. So we'll be using this platform called Jumia online shopping platform. So just go to jumia.com or Jumia Ghana and create your account. So after creating your account, this is what you are going to see. You will see a lot of things. In fact, from what you wear, then everything you can find it on Jumia shopping platform. Okay, now to make money online through your WhatsApp status, you need to sell things which people are looking for, which the customers or which people who are going to view your WhatsApp status are looking for. And in this modern era, more people need fashionable things like the smartwatches, iPhones, and then the talk of fashionable things, so sneakers, beautiful ones. So I prefer you start using smartwatches. This is one of the things most people need. They ask for it, and then sneakers. So for demonstration, we are going to use this one, smart watches. So I'll search smart watches, and shortly you will see a lot of different types of smart watches here. Okay, so we are going to monetize our WhatsApp status, and with this method you don't need any capital. Yes, I'll tell you why you don't need any capital to start. So as you can see, we have a lot of smartwatches here, and what are we going to do is that we are going to take pictures, we are going to download the images, but you have to take note of this. Some of these watches are shipped from abroad and some are also in Ghana here. So just look for those in Ghana. That will be easier for you to get it to the person. What we are going to do is that you just look for the price of these watches. So each of them has its own price. So as you can see, there are different prices. So let's go for this smart watch here, okay, which is 56 cedis. But let's try to buy. So we just add it to your cart. You go to your cart, and then you see this is the price. So you try to buy, just check it out. You're just looking for the price of this item, and as you can see, so it includes shipping fee. The price of this is what, 65 Ghana cedis. Now this is the total amount of this smartwatch that we want to sell. So this is what we are going to do. Now that we know the amount of this smartwatch, let's take the image. Let's download the image of this smartwatch. Oh, sorry. So just follow it step by step so that you not miss any of these tricks that I'm going to show you. So you just hit on this smartwatch and then you take the images. So you download the image one. So here you can move to the side, and then you download this one too. You move here, you download this one, okay, and then here too you download this one. Now after downloading, you just scroll down, and then as you can see here, description. So you just come and copy the description. Okay, you just copy the most important aspect of it, like the specification. You can talk of how to use it, description on how to use. You can download it here. Okay, now after that, So let me just copy the description here. So I'll copy. Now we are good to go. Now we know the price of this watch to be 65 cedis. Now we are going to our WhatsApp status. So if you don't have WhatsApp business, just download WhatsApp business. Okay, so then we are going to our WhatsApp status, and then we are going to post these things there. So this is the watch that we have. Then you hit here. Okay, so this is it. So what I'm going to do is that we are going to write the description. Okay, you just write the description of this watch here. All right, and then you tell them that you are selling this watch. Now we know the price of the watch is 65 cedis, so you just top up with your profit. So you can say like 100 cedis. Okay, so you earn about 35 cedis as your profit, and then you just hit here to send. So if any of your contact needs any of these watches, contact you for the watch. Then when he contacts you, what are you going to do? You just come to the platform, tell the person that the watch is on pre-order. Tell him that it is on pre-order. So you can also state it on the WhatsApp status, pre-order, and then you just state the price there. So you tell the customer that it's pre-order, for is going for 100 Ghana cedis. So when he pays you, you just order the watch and then you do the delivery. So this is how you can monetize your WhatsApp status with zero capital. See you the next video. Bye.